I've got my database, last name, first name, username and password. Let's hop into Visual Studio and we're going to make a blank Flask web project which will connect to that database, call it user demo, and I have a horrible feeling this will slow us down. No. Right, I'm going to go into my C drive just because it's fast when I when I try and use my home documents folder from home, it just slows down. So I'm going to call this one user demo on my C drive. Select folder. Yep. So create that. It'll take a little moment to think about it. So one thing while we're all good, up and running. Let's just do a little bit of housekeeping. Let's call this my user demo project. Always good to have your document string neat and tidy. Now there's a bunch of stuff I need to do here. Mainly create connection function and then check that that works. That's the scope of this video. I could try and remember it. I'm not going to do that. It would be ridiculous. So instead, this is the application that I shared with you last week, or yesterday. No, last week I think. And in here, instead of actually opening this application in Visual Studio, I've already got my project open in Visual Studio. I don't want to get confused about what's what. So I'm just going to open this with Notepad, and then I can do things like I can grab some useful stuff. And actually, obviously I need to grab this. I also am going to save myself the energy of typing this lot out again, which is all the same stuff. And now obviously this stuff is all to do with Steam games and so on, but I can just grab all of that lot and then modify what I need. So that's the kind of thing we do in computer studies. So I can get rid of all of that lot from there to there, paste that, and that's a lot of effort I don't have to make. Let's get these things working. So on your home computer, localhost is 127.0.0.1. Demo user, that's the correct password. Demo user, and what was the table I called? Demo user. The database was called user demo. I should go and check, shouldn't I? That would be an appropriate thing to do. It's called users demo, sir. Users demo. So that should all work. Then what have I got down here? Well, the thing I actually want to check is this line, because I want to know that I can connect to that database, and everything else I can deal with later. So what I'm going to do is delete all of that lot, and I'm just going to put return success there. So I'm always trying to do the minimum testing that I can get away with at any given moment. So I don't want to do lots of SQL and all the rest of it. I just want to check that I can create this connection and this will find my local host and find the database I'm looking for. So I'm hoping to see success. There we go. So the next step is to go back into here, and then we'll just go Control Z, and then I'm going to start connecting to the database and spitting stuff out to my templates folder, which doesn't exist yet, and all of that kind of stuff. That's all going to be in the next video.